Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got some exciting news that I can't wait to share with you. Nissan is gearing up to reveal the next generation of its full-size SUV, the Armada, on September 3rd. But before the big day, they've given us a little teaser to whet our appetites. Let's dive into what we can expect. Nissan dropped a teaser image, and while it's just a close-up of the grille, there's a lot we can infer from it. The grille design hints that the new Armada lineup might include an outdoorsy Rock Creek trim, or maybe even a more rugged Pro 4X version. For those of you familiar with Nissan's current lineup, you'll know that the Rogue and Pathfinder already have Rock Creek editions. They feature that chunky black mesh grille, along with 3 metallic slots just below the hood line. Plus, they come with all-terrain tires, glossy black trim, and a roof rack. It's safe to bet that the new Armada could be rolling out with a similar rugged look. The teaser shows off what looks like an Obsidian Green paint job, super sleek and adventurous. And how about that Nissan logo outlined in lava red? That little detail really pops. But what's really cool is what's in the background of the image, a 1967 Nissan Patrol. If you didn't know, the Patrol was sold in the U.S. from 1962 to 1969. While the Patrol eventually left the U.S. market, it made a comeback in 2016 as the Armada, so this nod to its roots is pretty nostalgic. Earlier this year, Infiniti, Nissan's luxury brand, unveiled the new QX80. And since the QX80 and the Armada have been pretty much identical under the skin, we're expecting the new Armada to continue that tradition. The next-gen model will likely share an updated frame with a new suspension system and electrically assisted power steering, which should make for a smoother and more refined driving experience. Oh, and here's the big news. Nissan might be swapping out the Armada's old 5.6-liter V8 for a twin-turbo 3.5-liter V6. That's a pretty significant change, and I'm excited to see how it performs. So that's what we've gathered from Nissan's little teaser. We're only a few days away from the full reveal, and I'm buzzing with anticipation. What do you think? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this video, and make sure to subscribe for more updates as we get closer to the big reveal. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.